Товарищ председатель комиссии, основной экипаж 47-й.
The prime crew of expedition 4748 to ISS is ready for the state exam. The commander is reporting. And the date today. So here we have the documentation. Do you have any questions? Our dear guests, do you have any questions to the crew?
It hasn't affected the work. You know, I've been working on the space station for almost 20 years in the partnership. We've been training for over 2 years. The partnership has never been better, and every crew I've been on has been a great combination. We've had a great time. We're friends. We're looking forward to flying together.
This time, what's the most complex experiment, the most tricky one that you're going to be doing?
Well, I don't know if I can pick a most complex or tricky, as you say. They're all vary in their difficulty and their complexity or whatnot. We have a vast array of experiments, very interesting experiments. Several of them are joint experiments among the partners. We're looking forward to executing them.
Yesterday's exam was fine. The whole crew got through off-nominal situations that we were presented with, and we were successful. We had the following off-nominal situations: electron system failure, radio system failure, the VHF, and also smart switch router BRI failure, and also a fire on the station by the end of the sim.
This is my third flight in the Soyuz. The first two, of course, were 2-day flights to the space station. This one's going to be about 5.5 hours, 4 orbits to rendezvous. It's a logical advancement and progression in the efficiency of the flight, so I'm looking forward to it. Its design is a little bit different. Of course, the end result is the same as before. What I'm going to miss about the 2-day flight, yeah, there's some special things on a 2-day flight that you get to experience. Living in the small confines of a Soyuz capsule, doing the solar spin is a very unique experience. And of course, we always have the chance to revert to a 2-day rendezvous.
Just wait a minute.
now. Come visit. It's a nice time, nice weather this time of year. Don't come in not August.
No, this is quite normal. Dear Chairman, the prime crew of Expedition 4748 to ISS is ready for the Russian segment training, and the commander is ready. We are all ready. I'm the responsible for the Russian segment, and I'm the assistant. Do you have any questions? No, it's all clear. And now, after this, you will have a rest and continue your preparation. And if there is a failure of the simulator, this is just a technical failure. We are expecting a cohesive interaction between all of you. If you have some spare time, you can assist your crew members. And pay more attention to routine operations, like cleaning the grills and other maintenance. It may seem very small to you, but it is important. Look at us. I'm taking the whole responsibility on myself for this. Would you prefer a fire or the press? It doesn't matter. You're doing great, guys. And also the interview now.
What are you looking forward to the most on your upcoming mission to the space station? It's been 6 years since your last journey up there.
Yeah, the last time I was there, we were just finishing up the assembly of the space station. Now it's in full utilization mode in both segments, both the Russian and the American segments. So I'm looking forward to getting back in the station during this phase in its lifetime.
How do you feel? We feel good. We are ready for work.
Да, в качестве индикатора невесомости я беру игрушку.
And I'm going to take a toy from my daughter to indicate 0G.
Сначала показывать наступление невесомости, а потом в течение...
The toy will show us when we are in 0G. And during my whole expedition, I will be reminded of my daughter. How many experiments are you going to have? We have about 50 experiments, medical and biological. Of course, most of our activities will be related to space medicine, studying how the human body reacts to 0G. And also we will have some experiments on the station structure itself, and also some protein molecule growth and others.
We recognize that even though the situation in the world can bring some pressures at the higher levels, we also recognize that we are working better than ever in our partnership, within the partnership, and hopefully we can be continue to be a symbol, a positive symbol to the entire world.
If you have any free time, what do you do? Do you talk to people on Earth?
Ну, если свободное время будет,
If we have any free time,
мы
I think
найдем
we're going to find
пообщаться.
something to talk about.
Разговоры о семье,
We will talk about our family, our friends, and of course we can talk about work.
Есть музыка, фильмы.
And of course, if we are going to have any free time, the favorite activity of any crew member is Earth observation and Earth photography. And of course, we will have some music and movies to watch if we have free time.
сбрасывать фотографии.
And are you going to downlink some photographs and video for us to see? Yes, of course. We are going to downlink it to the Roscosmos site.
Эту информацию
And they are going to put this information on other websites and social networks.
Ну да, получалось так, что первый полет был первый полет корабля Soyuz TMA-20M.
The first flight we had the Soyuz TMA flight, and we are going to be the last crew to fly in this Soyuz modification. It just happened this way. Please, a pose. Dear gentlemen, we are going to have a visit from Deputy Director of the Center. Jeff, look this way. Dear Commission, Soyuz TMA crew is ready for our examination. You have a go to take your tickets. You have a go to take your exam slips. And the documentation will be here.
Ну, так как я ваш экипаж вижу как бы впервые.
And this is the first time I see the whole crew together.
Прекрасно.
How do you feel? Excellent, as always.
Мы его не знали.
Это нас приятно удивит во время полета.
And we're sure you are completely ready for your exam.
Ну, я думаю, у нас таких особых примет нет. Главное, мы
And do you have
готовиться добросовестно, отдавая все время и силы.
any special things you do before the exam? No, we just get ready. We always study very well.
Больше нет вопросов?
Any more questions? No.
На станции официальный английский.
And what is the official language on the station? English on the ISS and Russian on the Soyuz. Otherwise, it just happens in real time. Do you have any problems with English? No, no problem in my communication.
Все будет зависеть от наличия свободного времени. Если время будет свободного,
And are you going to have any free time so you can send us some photographs? Well, it depends on whether we have enough free time. If we don't, we apologize in advance. Are you going to have a full schedule? Yes. As usual, it will be a full schedule, plus with some more activities. And how do you feel about that? Well, very positively.
Абсолютно никак. Только укрепляет. Мы же должны пример показывать.
And are you affected by the situation here on the ground? No, we're not affected at all. We know that we have a duty to show an example to everybody else.
We don't even notice it at our level, so that's a good thing, and we're working great together training for this mission.
And no more questions? Thanks.